Forno introduces you to the model 6244 gas range 48 inches cooking range. This model features a massive solid iron cast cooking grill. There are 8 aluminum burners that can output up to 20,000 BTU. One burner is sealed and has a double entry gas line, which allows you to simmer as low as 1,000 BTU. The all stainless steel finish enhances any kitchen. The bevel-shaped doors offers you a unique and professional look. Thick, durable, pro-style door handles with a large viewing window. Durable zinc-coated knobs with bezel rings, built to maintain their beauty. Deep recessed black enamel cooktop, traps spills and simplifies cleanup. This model also comes equipped with a cast iron griller that is reversible and movable. 2 electroplate racks that is adjustable in height for each oven. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. The main oven capacity size of 4.32 cubic feet, and a second oven with a size of 2.26 cubic feet. Easy to locate cooking switches. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. Interior convectional fan for disperse even heating. The main interior oven can broil up to 10,000 BTU, giving you consistent professional grade performance. It also features a bottom oven burner that has a heat force of 22,000 BTU, ignited by auto ignition, and has a U-shaped burner for optimal heat distribution. The second oven has a heat force of 14,000 BTU. This range comes in different colors and sizes. Choose from 36, 48, or even 60 inches. Comes with a NEMA 515P plug and an LP kit for simple conversion from natural gas over to liquid propane power. Backed by Forno's 2-year warranty, this range offers peace of mind, lasting performance, and exceptional affordability. Forno, lowering the cost of living.